been a part of Pongal festivities in Tamil Nadu, you know that usually on Pongal day, everyone comes together to chant in the spirit of the festival, Pongal o Pongal. It's the moment when the Pongal that's cooking in the pot actually rises and boils over. And that is the highlight of the harvest festival. This time, it's mired in a whole lot of politics. You had Prime Minister Modi in the national capital taking part in a grand Pongal celebration in Minister L. Murugan's residence that saw a lot of big faces, including some film stars turning up. But his message was about how Pongal has been globalized, about how there's international focus and recognition of Tamil culture, of the civilizational roots of Tamil as well. That's on one side. On the other, there's a whole lot of politics over Chief Minister Stalin, who also celebrated Pongal at the Tamil Nadu Secretariat today and is slated to be a part of grand celebration in the next few days, referring to Pongal as a festival that goes beyond caste, beyond religion, making a pitch for what many are referring to as a secular Dravidian Pongal. And that's led to a lot of politics because political opponents are saying that, look, you cannot forget the roots of Pongal festival and that it is a Hindu festival, not just a Tamil festival. We're going to be talking about that. I'll first break down for you the reactions and the highlights of Prime Minister Modi's visit.
Pongal cheer, politics heat. As Tamil Nadu celebrates its biggest harvest festival, the election pitch has begun. Prime Minister Narendra Modi marked Pongal in Delhi, joining celebrations at Union Minister L. Murugan's residence. Prime Minister took part in Pongal rituals and performed Gau Seva. Extending greetings, Prime Minister called Pongal a festival of joy that honors farmers and rural life. He described it as a proud symbol of Tamil culture, now finding global resonance.
Pongal एक ग्लोबल फेस्टिवल बन चुका है। दुनिया भर में तमिल समुदाय और तमिल संस्कृति से प्रेम करने वाले लोग इसे उत्साह के साथ मनाते हैं। उसमें मैं भी एक हूं। इनिय पोंगल नलवा अकड़क्तुक्कल वाळगा तमिल वाळगा भारतम.
In Tamil Nadu, Pongal also turned political. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin called Pongal a secular festival beyond caste and religion. Projecting the Dravidian model, he spoke of inclusivity, social justice and rationalism. The BJP hit back. Annamalai extended Pongal greetings but called for an end to what he termed anti-people DMK rule.
When a person is losing power, they will keep talking all kinds of senseless things. He called Amit Shah ji also in a very bad name a few weeks back. It is only shows the signs of desperation, madam, nothing else.
Festive greetings, sharp political messaging. In Tamil Nadu, this Pongal is not just about harvest. It is also about the battle of power. Bureau Report, India Today.
Bound to happen. We're in election season. Officially, April is when the elections are expected to happen in Tamil Nadu.